Forex or futures? Recently, I've been seeing a ton of sketchiness in the Forex markets, and this is why I recently switched from Forex to futures. And before you guys get all crazy and comment whatever you're going to comment below, just understand that Forex and trading futures is literally the same exact thing. Your technical analysis is going to be fine. The fundamental side, everything is the same because we're trading the same exact instrument. If you trade the S&P 500, it's just ES on futures, which I trade. And the reason why I started questioning the Forex space is for three major reasons that you guys all should consider as well. Number one, FTMO recently stopped accepting US clients. That means that they are not in regulation with the US government, and I am a US citizen. If you're not a US citizen, that doesn't really matter. You can still use them, which is great. And obviously there's other prop firms out there, but FTMO was the flagship of prop firms. They were the OG, the original prop firm that came out in the Forex space. So when that happened, that was kind of like my tipping point. But before that, we had all these brokers like Hugo's Way, KOT Forex, Osprey, all these brokers that people were using. They got blacklisted off MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And you have to really ask yourself for a second, why is this happening? Obviously, they are not in compliance with MetaTrader 4. They're not in compliance with MetaQuotes. And this is something that you really have to not just take with a grain of salt, but a handful of salt. That's a really, really big red flag right there. And with me, I want to trade with a little bit more leverage, which futures offers. And you can't do that with a regulated broker like Owanda. And if I was to switch to Owanda, they don't allow you to trade CFDs, US 30, NAS 100, the S&P 500. And the thing that really started to make me question the Forex industry was when my Forex funds, the biggest scam of them all, when they randomly just said, we're going out of business. Where's people's refunds? What happened to the people that were expecting payouts like me from our account? What happened to the time and effort and energy that we put into past our accounts and we didn't get anything back? I don't even think I got an email of them saying, hey, this is what's happening, just gone. What is this all about? You don't see this stuff happening in the future space. And when all this stuff started to occur in the Forex space, I really started to get scared. Not just for my future, but for all of my students and all of my supporters. And I really started to ask myself, do I want to be representing an industry like this and sharing this opportunity with other people? And I'm not gonna lie to you, when I would talk to people that I would meet in the gym or outside and they're like, hey, what do you do for work? I'd say, I trade Forex. I kind of fucking felt like a clown because people, the way that they would react when they hear Forex, they would laugh. It's like, it's a legitimate market. But the persona that people have made the Forex industry to be is complete shit. There's all these people that are being impersonated on Instagram and they're being scammed, and it sucks that that's happening. Because imagine somebody uses my photos on Instagram and they scam someone in my city for $5,000 or whatever it is, and they see me on the street and I get jumped, I get attacked, something for that I didn't even do. Somebody just used my image and pretended to be me and they scam someone. And I see this nonstop. The Forex industry, I love it. I'm not bashing the Forex industry, but I'm telling you guys, you really need to ask yourself, is this long term? When is this BS gonna stop? When are these brokers going to stop manipulating and screwing us over? Because all these unregulated brokers that you guys are currently using, they are fucking you over. And that may be the reason as to why you are not seeing success in this market. So with my TED Talk being done, I'm going to break down why I switched, the platform that I'm using, and I suggest that you guys really take this information that I'm going to give you and apply it. Because me being a really big authority in this space, I believe that this is going to be more long-term switching to futures. You're going to have a lot of more benefits, which I'm going to break down in this video for you guys, and you're going to get massive value. So stay to the end of this video, and I promise you guys, you'll get massive value. And if you want to look into my products, anything like that, look in the link in my description, guys. But without further ado, let's get in this information. It's going to get good. Okay, guys, we're going to break it down, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm twerking with so you guys can copy and just replicate what I'm doing. I promise you, you guys are going to love what I'm going to show you. And I just want to give you guys as much value as I can. I want to help you guys get to where you want to be as traders. And if you're stuck on Forex and you like Forex, that's cool. What I'd recommend is just try what I'm going to teach you guys in this video, and if you don't like it, go back to what you were doing. So these are the main differences between Forex and futures. Instead of lot sizes, we call them contracts. And do not worry, everyone. I'm going to go to the chart and I'm going to show you how to enter a trade, how to get the right lot size. Everything is going to be shown to you guys in this video. I'm going to drop the bombs on you. And this is stuff that I recently learned, but I had to do a lot of research on my own and it took a lot of time. So I'm going to just break it down for you and make it easy. The thing that I even struggle with myself, since I'm new to futures too, is I was 9 years in the game with Forex, and now I'm in futures for like a month now. The hardest thing is just understanding contracts, the size and everything, but I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. So instead of lot sizes, we call them contracts. 1 contract, 2 contracts, 3 contracts. Is it a micro contract, a mini contract? What is it? Instead of pips or a pip, in the move in the which is a move in the market, we call it a tick. Okay, so instead of 10 ticks, or if instead of 10 pips, it would be 1 tick, 1 move in the market. Instead of stop loss or take profit, we call them brackets. What I love is there's absolutely no spread. When I enter a trade, I enter into the markets exactly where the current price is that I entered at. Most platforms and brokers connect directly to TradingView. So with me, I would always do my analysis on TradingView and then I'd pull up my phone or go to my other laptop and enter a trade on there. I love that it's all integrated on TradingView because that's where I backtest, that's where I do my analysis. Everything is on TradingView, which is perfect. Most platforms and brokers, like I said, connect directly to TradingView, and I'll show you how to connect it in just a second. No more sketchy, unregulated brokers, guys. We're not doing that BS anymore. You guys need to be protecting your money. And the thing that I love is most of these platforms, they have insurance of up to $250,000. So if I have $250,000 in my platform, it is protected no matter what. If the business goes bankrupt, out of business, I have my $250K that is going to be protected at every point in time, at any point in time. Okay? The platform to use is TradeAvate. That's the one that I am currently using right now. It connects directly to TradingView. Super easy to set up and use. And like I said, we're not using TradeAvate's trading platform. We're just using it to fund our account and connect it to TradingView. It's easy to fund and withdraw the money. You must buy the TradingView subscription and you must buy a CME, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so that's a platform, the ins and outs of it. Let's now go to TradeAvate and I'll show you how to get your account set up and stuff. So this is TradeAvate.com. You guys can go through and check everything out. It is super easy. They have phone and live chat support. And that's the pro about working with regulated platforms like this. You don't have to worry about email support and their live chat getting back to you. Like, you can get on the phone with these people. You can't do that with like any Forex broker because they're all super sketchy and unregulated. Like, I'm telling you guys, you need to get regulated. You need to make sure that your money's protected, you're protected, your trading account isn't being screwed over with manipulation, them opening up the spread when it gets close to your stop loss, them purposely hitting your stop loss, then going in the direction that you want. Like, you need to make sure that you guys are good. So there's all this stuff that you guys can look into and look over. All you need to do, though, is go to open an account. And then when you do that, you'll go and sign up. They'll ask for your social security number, EIN, what type of trading account you're going to have, all that good stuff. So once you do sign up, this is what it's going to look like. I'm not going to go over my accounts because it will give you my account number. But the thing that you're going to need to do for the subscriptions is you're going to need to get the market data CME. It's only $4 a month. After you do that, it will connect to TradingView. Then you need to go to add-ons and you need to add on the TradingView. So you're paying $14 a month basically for it. Once you want to fund your account, all you need to do is connect your bank account where it says transfer and payments. Connect your bank account, choose how much you want to fund your account with, and then it will be under accounts. Now, when you actually connect it to TradingView, and there are videos on YouTube on how to do this. I'm not going to go over this basic stuff with you guys. I'm going to show you like the contracts and how to enter trade and all that stuff. And I can't actually physically enter a trade because sadly, I did make this video when the market was closed. It's about to open soon. It's Sunday right now. So to connect your actual Tradevate account to TradingView, you're going to go right here to Trading Panel, and you're going to click Explore Supported Brokers. You're going to go down until you find Tradevate right here. Learn more. Trade. Yo, if you guys are looking to scale your trading business and you want to get to the next level, whether you're just starting out or you already have some experience in the trading industry, you need to join us at Reward Over Risk. We have a bunch of programs like one-on-one mentorship where I actually have a 10-day class where I show you my exact strategies. We have live trading sessions where we get on Zoom calls and trade together as a community. And we also have trading softwares that can trade 100% hands-free for you. We have everything that you need to take over to your trading this year and the following years. But the only way for you to apply for this is to click the link in the description and book a phone call. Once again, click the link in the description, book a phone call, and let's see if you're a good fit to be a part of our community. Talk soon. So I already have it entered or logged into my other tab right here. So once you log in with your Tradevate, it will appear right here. I'm not going to pull up my account or anything like that. I don't need you guys to have my account number. And then once you do that, it will actually come up with these buttons. You want to make sure that the buy and sell buttons are on. So right click and go to settings. And then scales, canvas, trading. Make sure it says buy and sell buttons. Okay. Then what you are going to do is you need to have the right pair. So I have MESH. ES is for the S&P 500, so it's MESH 23 or 24 right here. This is the exact pair that you need to have. And there's something called monthly codes that you guys need to look into. It's hard to explain. I'm not that educated on them. All I know is you need to make sure that you have the newest pair open so you can actually trade. Because if I go right here to this one and I click this non-tradable symbol, it will show you this. So you need to make sure that you have the right symbol. So if I want to enter a trade right now, say I want to go to buy, I'll choose the units, and this is the micro E-mini S&P 500. There is the E-mini, micro E-mini, and then the regular S&P 500 index futures. You guys want to start with the micro E-mini if you have like $1,000, $2,000 in your trading account. So let's say I want to enter one contract or one unit. Market, limit, stop limit. I'm looking to buy. So right here, I want to enter one unit. My take profit, I'm going to enter this is like, let's say 10, which is 100 pips. And then this, let's say 5, which is 50 pips. And then when I'm going to enter a trade, what's cool, it will tell me all this right here. So if I put my stops at 50, I'll risk $62. 500, 625. So it's cool how it shows you what your risk is going to be and the percentage of your risk when you're actually going into a trade. So every time you kind of want to enter like your stop loss and TP and then click boom, buyer, sell.
Order rejected.
So it says order rejected because obviously the market's closed. But once you do that, you'll have all these lines right here where you entered the trade and that will move. Then your stop loss or your TP, then your stop loss will be down here and you can actually drag them. So if you want to move your TP or stop loss, you can manually drag them at any point in time, which is super, super cool. So that's literally how you guys can set up your Tradevate, the pros and cons of futures and Forex, and how to actually start trading. Other than that, like it's literally the same thing as Forex. We're just using a better platform. We're using it on TradingView. Instead of pips, it's contracts. Instead of stop loss and TP, it's brackets. There's no spread. It's more regulated. You have insurance on your money. There's way more pros than cons when it comes to comparing Forex to futures, and this is why I switched. I hope that you guys got value. Make sure you like this video. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon. Peace. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.